Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an ECM Giotto Espresso machine. What we did with this machine is pretty much replace the gauge. It wasn't working properly. You can definitely see stuck. It's pretty much stuck in there and didn't read the temperature properly, not as this one. And replace the pressure stat as well. And give it a good tune-up. Pretty much replace all the gasket, deep clean the E61 group head, and as you can see, this one definitely need to be replaced. You can start seeing some cracks around it, and that will make the porta filter to start leaking. We also replace the shower screen. You can see it's almost to the point of being clogged. This restricts the water flow and doesn't really test as well. So anyway, let's test the machine, and let's start with the steam. And as you can see, really good, working perfectly fine. The D-scale really helping a lot, as well as the hot water. Really good pressure, working perfectly fine. And now, hopefully, I got the brand correct, so we can see which have espresso. Fortunately, I did it way too fine. That's why it took a little bit longer, so it's gonna be a little bit distracted. And as you can see, the machine is keeping up pretty well, and it's giving a good amount of crema. And there you have it. Good layer amount of crema. Fortunately, way too fine, but the machine is working perfectly fine. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to my channel for more content like this every day.